So, good afternoon. We're here. We're Bachelor of Industrial Technology, major in Automotive Technology. We're from 3AA, and we're asked some questions about your internship or apprenticeship. So, can you introduce yourself, sir?
My name is Edward Tong
From Bachelor of
from Bachelor of Industrial Technology,
Major in
major in Automotive.
Okay, sir. So, here are some questions, sir. What technical skill did you acquire during your OJT that you didn't learn in the classroom?
Overhauling.
Okay, thank you, sir. Can you describe a challenging project or task you worked on during your OJT?
Describe for me it's overhauling also.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
How did the internship help you learn about your industry?
Pardon?
How did this internship help you learn about your industry?
For me, the job training helped me a lot because it helped me improve my technical skills and my knowledge in this industry.
Can you share a challenge you faced and how you solved it?
For me, every day is a challenge. Because based on my experience and my studies, were virtual, and in the, in the training days, so very challenging. Example, overhauling, we didn't have
Physical experience.
physical experience in that. Experience that nila on the job training na.
Number five questions. Can you describe a specific situation where you encountered a technical problem, and how did you troubleshoot it?
Yes, that's when my technician tasked me to troubleshoot wiring. Well, of course, I'm an OJT. I asked my technician to troubleshoot, and he said, analyze what I am doing and use your theoretical knowledge learn in your school.
And how did you communicate with your supervisor or team members about technical issues or projects?
Well, in my workplace, our workplace, let's say duo, me the training and the technician. So it's easy to know the issues. All I have to do is to observe and remember what my technician do.
Can you give an example of situation where teamwork was critical to success of a project during your internship? Did you collaborate with engineers, technicians from other departments?
Yes.
And what was that like?
Um, for me, it's experiencing because all their knowledge they teach us. So it's very amazing.
What safety protocols or standards did you have to follow in your workplace?
Uh, First and foremost, the PPOE.
Personal protective equipment.
Ano ko sa paano? Wi-Fi ba?
So, looking back at your internship, what do you think was the most valuable part of the experience for your career? Looking back at your internship or OJT, what do you think was the most valuable part of the experience for your career? Most valuable. like troubleshooting or overhauling, somewhat like that.
Yes. Nagdadala rolling, but the most valuable is when my technician tasked me one general maintenance. Then and that car is very troubleshoot. The car's engine, then the wiring, brakes. All I have to check all the components.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, thank you so much, sir. It's a big pleasure to us. So, make this interview about your internship, and thank you so much.
Welcome, welcome. Welcome.